Good morning, everyone. Cheryl Ann here. I thought I'd show you what I've been up to since I'm taking a little break from making journals. I'm making they're half aprons. They're gardening aprons. They have pockets. They have ties, and I can make two of these in one day. I don't have any yet in my Etsy shop. And I think for now, I'm going to do these as a custom order. So if you see one you like, let me know. I'm still perfecting this. They're like my journals. They're kind of fly by the seat of your pants. But they are functional, and I love them. This one I'm calling the chickens with the red, has a red polka dot background, and it has two large pockets. This is basically one I made for the lady that has my horses up at the ranch. They have like 50 or 60 chickens, and I thought, oh, that would be perfect for her to put. Look, she can put her eggs, she can go out and gather eggs and put them in here. So that's one. I had this fall fabric that I really liked, and I didn't use it in a journal. So, I mean, you can see, my stitching, that's not quite even. I had a little hiccup there. I admit it. But this one has three pockets. So 1, 2, 3. But these are perfect for putting like your cell phone in or your keys. I do like the top. And this one's on a heavy canvas. So that's one I might put in my shop because I did a pretty decent job. Here, let me show you this other chicken one. I love this. I'm calling this roosters, and it has 3 pockets. 1, 2, 3, and it's on a heavy canvas. See, I still have threads all over the place. But these do have nice long ties that you can double around. And like I said, I'll show you the one I always take on my walk. So I have more of this fabric. This is chicken and rooster. I have more of the chickens in red. I have more of that. Some of these though, I'm almost out of the fabric. Then this one I had enough left. I don't think I have any more of this one, but I'll have to check. I have something similar. Hold on a second. I'm sorry. I only have 2 hands. This one I think I'm going to give to a former colleague. She loves to grow plants on her patio. And this one has 3 pockets. 1, 2, 3. And must be sitting on that. And then it has the matching fabric on the top. What I like to do is I like to see that's not straight. So I can't put this in my shop. I mean, that even bothers me. But I'm getting better at it. So anyway, I like to stitch it down once, just with a straight stitch, and then I like to go over it like with a zigzag, or that's number 5 on my brother's sewing machine. But I think she would really love that one. But I have other fabric like this. This is some kind of, it's cotton, but I had a lot of trouble with it. It didn't want to stay flat. You can see it's got some kind of little wrinkles in it. I'm not going to use this fabric again. So that's the only one with that blue fabric. Okay, and then this is the one. This is the one that I usually take with me on my walk. I I wanted to do something different. I love this one. I have more of this fabric, and I have tons of this black polka dot, and it has really long ties. So what I did with this one was I put it has two layers. So there's one pocket, and one. This one's large. And then on top of each pocket, this is where I put my cell phone. So it has two cell phone pockets. And I had done this one, and then I go, these pockets are awful large for a cell phone. So, but this middle one also works real well for a cell phone. So I decided, well, why can't I just put two pockets on top of the pockets? So I did, and I love this one. I have more. I have lots more of this material. I have tons of sunflower fabric. This is the one I'm working on today. Look at the little llamas and cacti. I know Heather's probably going, oh, I love that one. I have enough. I have two cut pieces, so I'm gonna, as soon as I finish this one, probably tomorrow, I'll do another one. See, I don't even have the ties on yet, but this is what I do. I hem it, and then I don't use pins. I use these little clips that I got on Amazon. I really like these clips. They work really well, and you can move them. Just so. I do take them off when I'm sewing, though. And then here's the material for the ties. Although now, looking at it, I'm realizing this should be the material for the tie. Fortunately, I have one strip already cut. Yeah, see that should go. That should go on the top. Yeah. So I'll just cut two more of these, and then those will be done. And these I'll just save those for something else. So what got me started on this adventure was I did order three of these off Etsy. This one I have this fabric. I have tons of it. Okay, so she has one pocket here, one pocket here, one pocket here, and it is on a black canvas, and I didn't realize it until this morning. It's completely reversible. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? I'm like, oh my gosh. But see, now look, her stitching is so much better than mine. I'm working on it, it's like I do the best I can. See, that's nice and straight. There's a little pucker there, but there's a little pucker down there, but it's nothing big. I love this fabric. So that was one that I bought. And then this is the second one I bought, and it even has a little place. You know how you have your clippers? See, that's a place for your clippers, and it has one pocket, two pockets, three pockets. Now see, hers is, she's wrapped hers around. Oh, she's wrapped hers around the edge. See, that's why I didn't start mine till I kind of deconstructed one of these, and I don't remember if it was this one or the next one. But again, this is some kind of like canvas, almost denim material. I mean, it's really heavy. But I don't know if I have this particular sunflower fabric, but I have a lot. And this is the one I was taking on my walks till I started making my own. I think she's called Atlantic Quilt Maker. I will post the links to the pardon me, to the three ladies that I purchased these from. Now this one this one gave me the idea for my other pocket. She has four, and then she has 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see, she just stitches up like this, but this one is, this one has a zipper pocket. I'm like, oh my goodness, but see how nice and straight her stitching is. I will admit it, my stitching is not It's not perfect, and I remember my grandmother making me have to take stuff out, so, you know. But hers, yeah, hers is nice. It's nice and even. On the back, now see, it's just, and this is a nice cotton. It's not canvas. I think, yeah, it has to be 2 layers, because see, there's the back. And then that's the front. But I love this little zipper. Oh, that is so adorable. I love this one. And this one, these are reasonably priced. I will put links so you can see all these gals. So here's one I want to do. And I have like 2 yards of this. They only take, I'll show you what I do. They only take, 2/3 of a yard. Oh, and then you have to do the straps. So it would probably be about a yard for each. But I love that one. So that's in the pipeline. These 2 are in the pipeline. That means I'm going to make them. I have brown and white. Is that upside down? It's hard to tell when these little guys are kind of sideways. Yeah, they're, I guess, like that. I'm not sure which side is up. So I'm going through my fabric and I'm seeing what I have that I can use. So that's what I've been up to. Now, if I want to put pockets on this one, I'm just going to grab this. This is not the right width. But see, I need to get them placed and clipped down before I sew this on. Because once you sew this on to this one, no, you can't. You can't do it. It's really hard. So, and this will be on the top. Yeah, I grabbed the wrong material. So I need to cut out 2 more of these. And then if I make pockets, I need to use this one. So that's what I've been working on. So I thought I'd just share that with you today. So let me know if you're interested in one. I can do another video on all the other fabrics I have, but I do have a lot of this, and I do have a lot of that sunflower one, and yeah, I have like 2 yards of this one, and that would look nice with the polka dot too. So anyway, let me know, and we can discuss it and talk about pockets. And I don't do zippers. I haven't done a zipper in, oh my gosh, 60 years. So anyway, do let me know what you think, and until next time, bye for now.